Hello, my name is Stephen DeSalvo. I am an education technology specialist here with SoundTree, and I would like to highlight a few of the most popular music education software that is made available to teachers and students. First, we'll take a look at Noteflight Learn. With Noteflight Learn, students can compose music, record live audio into scores, and get automatic performance assessment, making it the ideal platform for teaching, composition, and theory, as well as for performance assessment and feedback. The customizable score editor is easy enough for beginners yet sophisticated enough for professionals to use. Any score can instantly become an assignment with a unique copy automatically created for each student, which also works seamlessly with Google Classroom and other learning management systems. Noteflight Learn also provides an extensive library for music scores and lessons to create and adapt assignments for your students. With Noteflight Learn, you can easily create and compose music right at your fingertips. Every teacher and student has access to a full music notation and editing feature on any device, where you can have your student compose and arrange their own music or adapt one of the many included content library scores that you'll receive with Noteflight. One of the newer features that Noteflight offers is called SoundCheck. When using SoundCheck with your student for, say, band, orchestra, or choir, they can easily play toward whatever device they're using Noteflight on. The device's microphone will be able to pick up the audio and see accuracy and intonation of the student's performance. The software provides numerical rating with red, yellow, green assessment for both pitch and rhythm, plus individual feedback messages for intonation and wrong notes on their performance. When using SoundCheck, you can easily have it integrated with Google Classroom, and it will automatically add the assessment rating to the gradebook for your integrated Google Classroom or other learning management systems that you have paired with Noteflight. Since SoundCheck uses the device's microphone, it works with all instruments and voices, making it easy to create a wide range of music performances done by students. Also enjoy having over 1,000 SoundCheck scores that are available within Noteflight Learn's content library. While keeping the student's safety in mind, Noteflight Learn allows teachers to create their own private website for their students. Being fully compliant with COPPA regulations, there is no student interaction with the public website noteflight.com. The only identifying information collected is on the teacher and the school. All students are assigned unique usernames by the teacher. Therefore, Noteflight Learn does not collect any personal information on the students. Students only have a username and the musical scores they have created. Noteflight will also delete accounts upon written request from the school or district as defined by COPPA. Let's take a look at a fun and new web-based platform that recently came out, which is called Essential Elements Music Class by Hal Leonard. This is a great tool for teachers to use with their elementary school students, either in the classroom or at home. Hal Leonard did a great job by making it very easy and safe to have your young music students at any skill level by engaging them with music in a fun and interactive way. The hundreds of professionally recorded songs that your students can sing, dance, and play along with, Hal Leonard did a fantastic job by delivering you the different notation content, dancing content, and lyrical content to go along with the songs you choose for your students to enjoy and have fun following along with while they view everything on screen. You, the teacher, will be able to go through a growing catalog of songs and musical content that Hal Leonard put out on the Essential Elements Music Class website. From here, you can browse and filter different themes or age groups, and of course more. The site is designed so you, the teacher, can pick your favorite songs and engage your students with the music however you like. Essential Elements Music Class lets you share a playlist or class collections with your students without them ever needing a login. By easily generating a link that is then shareable, this is how you can keep your students safe and make it easy for them to view the content that you have on your lesson plan that day. Essential Elements Music Class by Hal Leonard integrates seamlessly with Google Classroom, so you, the teacher, can create music lessons based on the songs you have added to your playlist. The songs that are available on Hal Leonard's site will give you the grade level intended, backing tracks for the music, lyrical content for students to sing along with, and recorded dance performances done by kids their age so the students themselves can dance along with the recorded performance, making this a very fun and interactive way to teach music to young students. This is a new product by Hal Leonard that us here at SoundTree can give you more information on, as well as help you get started. Hal Leonard is consistently adding new interactive content to the songs that they have available for their teachers and students to use and enjoy. Again, this is Essential Elements Music Class by Hal Leonard. Next, we'll take a look at Soundtrap by Spotify. Soundtrap empowers students and teachers to explore creative sounds and recordings that can be used for all ages and ability levels. With Soundtrap, you can work from anywhere. Soundtrap works seamlessly across all Wi-Fi connected devices, and since the studio is completely cloud-powered, students can continue working on their projects from home. You will have access to an extensive collection of quality loops, effects, and software instruments. Soundtrap is a great way for teachers and students to create music projects and podcasts with ease. Soundtrap will also make it easy to create, communicate, and collaborate with your students. There are endless possibilities for students to collaborate through Soundtrap. You can easily plug in any MIDI USB keyboard to your device and trigger sounds within Soundtrap's content library. Students can create their own music or podcasts online, which is compatible on any device. Another very important feature is the integration between both Soundtrap and Noteflight. Here are just a few examples of what you can do. You can see Soundtrap songs as Noteflight notation so live players can perform your work. You can remix the audio of your Noteflight score with Soundtrap instruments. You can also use Soundtrap to collaborate with players to record and mix your Noteflight score. With these endless possibilities, the teacher can create assignments either in the classroom as well as at home for remote lessons. Soundtrap for Education includes premium features, such as 5,000 pro-sounding loop effects and samples, unlimited projects and cloud storage, collaboration via video and chat to easily communicate on the project, 600 plus instruments and sounds to choose from, as well as cross-platform compatible for any device including Mac, Windows, Chromebooks, iPads, iPhones, and more. Soundtrap is also a COPPA-compliant online DAW, making it safe and easy for students to use anywhere. Next, we'll take a look at Avid's Sibelius Ultimate Academic version. Sibelius Ultimate is an amazing way to write and share music with your students. Sibelius by Avid is one of the leading products for music teachers across the country, looking to engage their students in music composition, notation, theory, and scoring. This powerful piece of software is designed to create, edit, and print music scores. It supports virtually all music notation, covering all the genres no matter what their complexity is, giving you the power to create these scores and engrave them in a professional publication-like quality. This software can be used in most grade levels and especially used in the more advanced music classrooms because of the sheer power this software has to offer. Sibelius Ultimate includes powerful classroom tools and worksheets, making it super easy for educators and students to teach or learn music notation. Sibelius Ultimate Academic version will allow the teacher to collaborate with the student's score through a wide range of great new features. Teachers and students can work collaboratively through the comments feature within the score, where you can add a sticky note with a text comment at a specific place within the score, or you will have the feature to highlight a specific measure within a single stav or multiple stavs to help optimize collaborative use. With the Sibelius Network version, this version allows easy classroom control. A single simple classroom control window shows you all of the Sibelius Ultimate copies that are running, as well as the students' usernames. You can freeze the student's program when you want them to pay attention, get a copy of the score each student is working on, or send the score to any student or all of them at once. You can also prompt students to save a version of their score to help you track their progress over time. And it's all password protected for complete security and safety for students and teachers. Last but not least, let's take a look at Pro Tools by Avid. If you're not familiar already with Pro Tools, this digital audio workstation has been the music industry's standard for quite some time. Working with Pro Tools as a part of your curriculum can be ideal for your students. Since this DAW is used in countless professional work environments, learning this software is an absolute must when seeking a career in professional audio. Here at SoundTree, we can help your school get started with the latest Pro Tools academic versions available. From here, we can help you update your school's current version of Pro Tools or help you choose a subscription option that best fits within your budget. There are a few different subscription options to choose from when using Pro Tools. Pro Tools offers a perpetual license option, giving you the latest version of Pro Tools for one simple price. This will allow you to keep that version of Pro Tools active without ever expiring. You can always update that version in the future whenever you're ready. Pro Tools also offers an annual subscription plan, giving you unlimited online support and customer service, along with the option to update to the latest version available with an active license. Another amazing feature that is offered with Avid's products is the Avid Cloud Collaboration, designed for connecting and collaborating projects with ease. This is great for students looking to collaborate over the cloud, as well as teachers looking to connect with their students' projects, all done with Avid's Cloud Collaboration feature. Again, my name is Stephen DeSalvo here with SoundTree. If you would like more information on how you and your students can get started with any of the different music software that I described, I invite you to reach out to us at info@soundtree.com or visit our website at www.soundtree.com/request a quote. As always, I want to thank you for listening. Take care.